Welcome to Absolute ERP. Previously, we have covered how to define multiple levels of inventory type. In this video, we will show you how to create workgroup in ERP. Purpose of creating workgroup in ERP: you can define all the master credentials of your machinery and workstations that will use under the production in your organization, and you will map these machineries and workstation to create routing process of the specific item for defining your workgroup or machinery. Go to Setting part, then click over Our Production tab. On left-hand side, you will see Manage Workgroup tab. Click over it. Your all created workgroups has been appearing. If you want to create new one, click over Add Workgroup tab. From here, you can define master of your particular workgroup. First, workgroup number, auto-generated by a system. Mention workgroup name, like I mentioned, pasting. You can add, according to your needs, like cutting, stitching, molding, extrusion workgroup, or machineries. Mention the number of instance. It refers to how many machines of the same type you have. Thereafter, define hourly rate of your machine. This rate will get impact at that time of routing creation as a variable cost and fixed costs. Here you can predefine the employees which will work under this workgroup. Map your multiple employees through this drop-down option and mention the number of them. Next, mention fixed hourly rate of this workgroup or machine. Accordingly, it will get impact at that time of routing creation that we will see the brief in our coming routing video. You can also create custom working hour of this workgroup. Click box option and create day-wise custom working hour. You able to denote this workgroup by color code. Select your code accordingly. Once you complete all the above creations, finally click Save, and your workgroup has been created. On this main screen, you have a unique search option. Select your machine. If required, you can edit or delete it. Below, you will see all the created workstations, and multiple tabs is appearing. If you want to manage your tools over workstation, click over here. First, select your workstation name, which tool will come under it. If you want to mention validity of this tool over the workstation, define the specific date. In case you want to add new tool, click over this tab, select under which workgroup it will appear. Workstation number and name auto fetch by system. Mention new tool name, like I am creating screw tool. You can create according to your needs. Map under which category it will come. There is only one category I have, the name test. You can create n number of categories, like hand tool, cleaning tool, sharp tool, etc. Thereafter, mention manufacturing date of your tool. Furthermore, you can add stations also. Mark desired checkbox. Accordingly, mention the station name. You can add parameters and value of your tool. After that, click Save, and your tool has been created. In next tab, you can manage all categories of your tools. Here, you simply create new category name, like I am creating sharp tools category. In your case, it will be different. Click Add, and it will appear below. By given filters above, you can categories specific tool category. Finally, you can add workstations. Click over Specific tab, select your specific workgroup, workstation number, and name, auto fetch by system. Here, you can map your employees under this particular workstation and click Save option. Now, we will show you how to define the maintenance plan for your workstation. For defining, click over this tab. From this page, you are able to define a plan for your workstation, workgroup, workstation number, and name, automatically fetched by the system. Select maintenance frequency, in which time frame you will maintain your machine, like daily, weekly, monthly. After 15 days, you can set 𝐸𝐸𝐬 custom maintenance frequency. Thereafter mention last maintenance date of your workstation. Set notification system, mention particular days. Accordingly, ERP will give you a notification reminder in bell icon of this workstation maintenance. Select which employees will get notified of this workstation maintenance. If required, you can set checklist parameters. Accordingly, a person who do maintenance of this workstation, they will keep accordingly to the defined parameters. Checklist will be two types: range basis and simple, yes or no. Define according to your requirement. Create your parameters like calibration of machine, mention range. Accordingly, create n number of parameters. Click Save, and your workstation maintenance plan has been set. In this video, we have shown you how to create Workgroup in ERP, and from where to define all the tools, workstations, along with how to create maintenance plan of your workstation. If you want to know more about Absolute ERP, watch our other videos.